Okay, so now that we have the PDF in and scaled and we've imported in the vector data, we now can start cleaning up this data and extracting information from it. So this section, I'm going to break into different pages to show different methods of cleaning up this data, drawing objects, manipulating layers. And I'm going to do it in kind of a piecemeal form so it makes it very simple for you to learn these tools, and then you can apply the tools based on your project and what you want to do. So for example, in the first video, which is the next video in this chapter, is I want to determine the length of construction fence I have here. And when you can bring it in, you can see that each of these are individual lines. So I want to show you how to deal with something like that. But in the context of it, I want to show you you're going to do it in a way so that I can click on this area length count report and get a total distance of this construction fence. If we look over here in the legend, we can see we've got our curb and gutter. So I'm going to show you that in this chapter, and then this construction fence, and I've got a couple different options here. So I'm going to go through that. Again, these are just very small pieces to show you how you might handle this situation. And, again, you're going to develop your own process, right? I want you to develop and use the tools as you learn them to develop your own workflow and your own process in that type of way. You may not start with the construction fence. You may go right into the earthwork or right into the curb and gutter. But I want to show the fence because it's probably going to be the easiest one to show you the tools of Trimble Business Center to get started. So we'll start with that first.